Okay, guys. Today, inshallah, we will continue in our lesson 3, page 171. We'll continue doing the exercises on page 171. Guys, prepare yourself. We are on page 171, two-digit dividends. So we'll do the exercises from 6 to 14, inshallah, if we have enough time. So let's start directly with the question 6. Let's start with the question 6. Now I will do question 6 for you just to remind and refresh your minds. When I say 28 divided by 2, I will use long division. Long division. It's written in your book, the long division. The dividend, it will be 28 here inside, and the divisor is out here. And guys, to do this division, we need to be very fast and good in the multiplication table. So here, guys, to do the division, I need to be good in the timetable of 2. The divisor, the timetable of the divisor, if you know it very well, it will be easy to do. Now, I will take a look to the first number here and see if this number less than this number, then I cannot start with. I need to start with both numbers. But if this number here, the first one, equal or more, we can start with. Now here in our question, 2 is equal to 2. So we can start with 2 alone without the 8. Because if you start with the 28, it will be a little bit difficult for you. So start with the first number 2. After you finish with the 2, you bring the 8 down and continue with the same steps. Now 2 divided by 2, we will search about in the timetable about a number. You put it up here and then you multiply it with 2 to get 2 or less. From the timetable of 2, we know that 2 multiply 1 is 2, and 2 multiply 2 is 4. 2 multiply 3 is 6. We know the timetable of 2, right? Now here, what's the number? If you multiply it with 2, you get 2 or less. We have 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So up, I put 1. After we put the number up, we do multiplication. Now 1 multiply 2 is 2. So I will put 2 down of this 2. Line, subtract. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. After I do the step of subtraction before I get the 8 down. Before I get the 8 down, after I do the subtraction directly, I take a number, I take a look to this number here. Now this number is 0. And I will ask myself a question, and it's important question. Is this number here less, should be less than the divisor? Yes, 0 less than the divisor 2. So I'm okay. My 1 is good and everything is correct. After I be sure that the first step is correct, I bring the 8 down. And I will do the same steps. 8 divided by 2. I will search in the timetable of 2 about a number. If you multiply it with 2, you get 8 or less. Now, if we continue the timetable of 2, we know that 2 times 4 is 8. So I have 8 in the timetable of 2, comes from multiplying by 4. So here, the number, if you multiply it with 2, you get 8, is 4. So I put 4 up and do the multiply. I will do the same process again. 4 multiply 2 is 8. Now I'll make line and I make subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. After I do the subtraction, I stop and take a look here. Is this number less than the divisor? Yes. 0 is less than the divisor, so I'm okay. Now, did I finish? Do I finish? Yes, because there are no more numbers here. I finished with 2, I'm finished with 8, so I'm good. So what's the answer now? Is 14. The remainder here is 0. This is quotient. This is remainder. This is divisor. This is dividend. So we have 4 parts of the long division. Now the remainder is 0. No need to write R0. No need. The remainder is 0. Khalas. What's the answer here? 28 divided by 2 is 14. So 28 divided by 2 is 14. So you need to do this question, guys, in your book, page 171, question number 6. Hope you understand how we divide 2 digits by 1 digit. Now let's go to question 7 together. And now you will solve for me. So I will choose a student. And please, guys, please, if you don't understand how to divide, please ask me. Please tell me, Mister, I don't understand how to divide. It's very important. So I will go to question 7, 74 divided by 6. Now it's written in your book in the long division in this form. Yeah, I want some student now to help me here. I want a student to help me here. I'll start with, guys, put hands if you know, and if you don't know, put your hands so I can know, yani, I can manage my work. I will go down. Hamza Sarhan. Hamza. Hamza Sarhan, where are you?
Yes, Mister.
Mister, yalla, let's do question 7 together. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Where I will put the 74? Outside or inside the division?
Inside the division.
Inside the division, 74. And the divisor here, I will put it outside, right?
Yes.
Now, how I will read it, I will say 74 divided by what? 6, right?
6. Yes.
Yeah, tell me, what are the steps now? What I need to do?
6 multiply 1.
1. Why you choose 1, yeah, mister? From where you start? From 7 or 74? From where you start?
7.
From 7 alone. Why we start from 7?
Because it's the biggest number. Yeah.
No, not it's the biggest number, because 7 is bigger than 6, right? So we can start with 7,
Yes.
right? Yeah, 7
Yes.
divided by 6. You said 1, right? Why 1, guys?
Yes.
Because in the timetable here, we need to be good in timetable of 6. In the timetable of 6, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is about the 7, not the bigger number, okay? So how we get the 6? From multiplying with 1. Hamza said, but 1. 1. Now, what I will do, ya Hamza?
We're gonna do
After we put the number up, now you choose 1, right?
yes.
What we do now? What I need to do? The next step. شو لازم أعمل?
Minus.
Minus what, ya mister? Mean minus mean. After we put the number
74
up.
minus 1.
74 minus 1? No, mister, this is wrong. This is totally wrong. After we put the number up, ya Hamza, what شو لازم نعمل? Right. Focus, ya Hamza. Stay with me. Stay unmuted. Do not mute yourself. Mazen.
Okay. Yes.
Mazen. Hamza said we put 1 up. Is this correct?
Yes.
After we put the 1 up, what we need to do, ya Mazen?
6 multiply 1.
We multiply 1 by 6. So here we do what? Multiply. 1 multiply 6 is how much, ya Mazen? Mazen.
6.
6. Where I will put the 6? Under 7 or
1
under
multiply
4?
6.
Where I put it? Under 7.
Under
Mumtaz.
7.
Good. Now thank you, Mazen. Hamza, are you here?
Yes.
See the step, ya mister? We don't subtract. We put 1 up, then we multiply. 1 multiply 6 is how much?
6.
We put the 6 under 7 because you use 7. Now we subtract. Get it?
Get it.
يلا 7 minus 6 how much يا حمزة؟
7
بسرعة يلا.
minus 6, 1.
1. Now before we take a look here, 1 and 6. 1 less than 6 or more than 6 or equal 6?
1 less than 6.
So if this number here after the subtraction is less than 6, so I'm correct. Now, what's the next step? بعد ما أعمل هيك، شو أعمل؟
I'm gonna put the 4 down.
أيوة, we bring the 4 down besides the 1. It will be what? The number now?
14.
14. What we will do now, we will search in the timetable of 6 about what?
14.
14 as an answer. Do we have 14 in the timetable of 6? Look here. 6 by 1, 6. 6 times 2, how much?
12.
12. 6 times
12.
3.
6 times 3, 18.
Do we have 14? Do we have 14 here?
No.
So where is the 14 now? Where is the place of the 14? Between mean or mean?
Between 12 and 18.
So the 14 is here, right? Now what I will choose? 12 or 18 to use in the division?
18.
No, 18 is bigger than 14. We cannot use bigger number. We need to use a smaller number always.
12. 12.
12. From where we get a 12, ya Hamza? Multiplying what with what?
6 multiply 2.
So I have 6 here. I need to put 2 up, right?
Yes.
Yeah. 2 multiply 6. How much?
12.
12. Now line شو بنعمل? Subtraction, right?
Subtract. Yes.
يلا 14 minus 12. How much?
14
2.
minus 12. 2.
2. Now 2 less than 6 equals 6 or more than 6?
Less than 6.
Less than 6, so I'm correct. My 2 here is correct. My 12 correct. This everything is correct. Now, do we have more numbers here or we finish?
We finish.
We finish. So what's the answer? It's a 12 with remainder how much?
2.
2. So the answer is a 12 with remainder 2. The answer is 12 with remainder 2. You understand how to divide, ya Hamza?
Yes.
Practice more. Practice more. Yalla, focus with us in question 8. Okay, guys, I need to take another student.
Mr. Unmute myself.
Yes, Mr. Mute yourself, but focus with us. You need to practice on division. Al-Walid.
Yes, sir.
Walid.
Yeah.
Yalla, ya Walid. What I will put, where I will put 85? Outside or inside the division?
Inside, Mr.
Yalla, 85 here and 7 here. Tell me from where we start and what we will do.
1 multiply 7 equals 7.
From where we start, ya mister? From where we start? Huh?
From up.
Mashi. Here in the numbers, from where we start? 8 or 85?
Mr. From 8.
Why started from 8?
Because the 7 less from 8.
Good. Now we start with 8. Tell me now what I need to put up here. Do we have 8 in the timetable of 7?
No, Mr. We will start 1 by 7.
Start with 1 because 2 by 7, 14, bigger than 8. Now 1 multiply 7, how much, ya Walid?
7. 7.
7. Then
8 minus 7 equal 1.
Equal 1. Now before we get the 5 down, we stop and take a look here. 1 less than 7 or more or equal?
Less than 7.
Less than 7, so I'm correct. Now what I will do?
If we will bring the 5 down.
Bring the 5 down. Now 15 divided by 7. Do we have 15 in the timetable of 7?
No, yeah, mister, we have to multiply 7, 14.
Okay, look here, guys. ممتاز يا وليد. 7 by 1 is 7. 7 by 2 is 14. 7 by 3 is 21. There is no 15, guys. The 15 is here between 14 and the 21. Do not choose 7. It is wrong. We choose the closer number to the 15 and the smaller number at the same time. So here, Walid said 2. 2 multiply 7, how much?
2 multiply 7, 14.
Now subtract, ya Walid.
Mister, it will be 1.
1. Do we have more number to use or we finish?
We finish.
We finish. So what's the answer?
1.
What's the answer, ya Walid?
12.
12, remainder 1. 12, remainder 1. Like this. 12, remainder 1. So the answer is 12, remainder 1.
Yeah.
Copy, guys. This is question 8. Now,
Mister, I mute.
thank you, Walid. Mute yourself. Let's go to question 9, guys. Question 9. We have in question 9, 60 divided by 4. In the question, guys, you have 60 divided by 4 equal line. Now, under the question, we will write long division. The 60 inside, the 4 outside. Now we will do division normally. So in the book, the question is written like this way, the normal division. Under of it, you will make long division like this, okay? Now, let's do division normally. Let's do division normally. Okay, I will go with Abdul Aziz.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, Abdul Aziz. We have 60 divided by 4. Can you help me here? Abdul Aziz, talk with me. Hello? Where are you, mister? Where are you? طيب. Kinan Aisam.
4 is less than 6, so we will use only the 6.
Good.
4
Then,
times 1 equal 4, because if we multiply 4 times 2, it will be 8, and it's wrong.
good. So I will start with what up? With 1, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, 1 multiply 4.
4.
4. Then
6 minus 4 equals 2.
equal 2, right?
Make
Now,
the 0
what
down.
we need to be sure, about, Kinan, before we continue.
If the 2 is equal or less than the 4, it is less.
Now, 2 is what? Less than 4, so I'm correct. But if we have a number here, after we subtract like 7, 7 is more than 4, then the 1 is incorrect. It's wrong. But 6 minus 4 is 2. Before I bring the 0 down, I check 2 less than 4. Yes. So my 1 is good here. Next, what I need to do, Ikinan?
Make the 0 down.
Make the 0 down. Now, what's the new number we have here?
20.
20. 20 divided by 4. Do we have a 20 in the timetable of 4?
Yeah. Multiply
Yes,
5.
multiply by 5. Now 5 multiply 4, how much?
20.
20.
Remainder
Subtract.
0.
Remainder 0. So what's the answer, ya Kinan?
15.
15 with remainder 0, but no need to write remainder 0. So the answer is 15. You will go here, guys, in your book and write what? The answer, 15. So copy this under the question and put the final answer here quickly. Thank you, Kinan. This is a question 9, guys. Let's go to question 10. Let's go to question 10. Now, what we have in question 10, guys, we have 70 divided by 6. 70 divided by 6. Now, under it, we have space in your box. So I will make long division like this one. And here you put 70, here you put 6, and you start divide. Now, this is question 9. Hope you finish writing it. Let's move to question 10 with Jalal.
Master,
Yes.
question 10, 70 divided 6 is 64 divided 5.
Question 10.
Yeah.
Let me check. Oops, I get wrong. مش مشكلة. طيب, I will change it. Give me a second. 64 divided by what, ya Jalal?
5.
5. Yalla,
Mister,
down we write
I will do it
64
quickly.
and 5. Yalla.
First thing, 5 by 1 equals 5.
5 by 1, because 5 by 2 is 10, and 10 is more than 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Now 1
put
multiply 5.
5.
5.
After that, make
And
minus. Equals
subtract.
1.
What's the answer? 1.
1.
1 is correct or?
Correct.
Correct, because 1 less than 5, right? Then
Put the 4 down.
it will be what?
14. So
14 on 5. In the timetable of 5, do we have 14?
no, but we have 3. But if you will put the 3, it will be 15. So we will put
Bigger
2.
than 14. So I need to put 2 to make it smaller. 2 times 5, Jalal.
Jalal. Equals 10. So we'll make minus equals
10.
4.
4. Do we have numbers here
So the
to
answer
finish?
is
Or
12, remainder 4.
remainder 4. 12, remainder 4. We put 12 R4 like this, and we'll take whole answer and put it in the line up. 12, remainder 4. This is question 10. Thank you, Jalal.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's move to question 11 now, guys. Let's move to question 11. In question 11, we have 70 divided by 6. Yalla, do question 10, guys, quickly. Faisal.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, Faisal. Let's do question 11 together. Do you know how to divide?
Yeah.
Yalla, tell me.
1.
Where I will put the 1 here?
No, up.
Up. Yalla, 1. Why 1? Why
Down.
not 2?
No.
Why not 2? ليش ما حطينا 2?
عادي احكي عربي.
Okay, just this time. Yalla, why we didn't put 2? It will be, if we put 2, ya Faisal, 2 by 6, how much?
12.
12 bigger than?
Yeah.
7, right? So I need to choose 1 as you said. Correct. Yalla. Then what we will do, ya Faisal?
6.
1 times 6 is?
1.
1 multiply 6. How much?
6.
6. Then we add them, right?
Minus.
We minus them. We don't add. Yalla. 7 minus 6. How much?
1.
1. Then?
Down 0.
0. It will be what?
10.
10 divided on 6. Do we have 10 in the timetable of 6?
كمان حط واحد.
كمان 1. Good boy. Now 1 by 6, how much?
نزل 6 equal 4.
يلا 10 minus 6. Speak in English حبيبي.
4.
10 minus 6, how much?
4.
4. ممتاز. Now 4 is the remainder. So what's the answer? 11 with remainder what?
4.
4. So 11 remainder 4, and we will take our answer and we'll put it on the line up. 11 remainder 4. Excellent, Faisal. Thank you.
شكرا.
This is a question 11, guys. Do it, and let's go down to question 12. We have in question 12 48 divided by 3, and we need to equal h. 48 divided by 3 equal what? H. Down they wrote h equal 9. So we need to find the answer of the division. So what we will do here, guys, we will make the long division 48, sorry, and here is 3. Find the answer, then we put it in the line for the h, the value of h. Now 48 divided by 3. Ghassan. Ghassan.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Yalla ya Ghassan. We will do 48 divided by 3 to know the value of h, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what we will start, from where, and what we will do.
Write 3 by 1 equals 3.
So up 1. 1 times 3 is
4. 3.
3.
Sorry.
Then
minus 4 by 3. 4 minus 3.
yalla, how much?
Yes, 1.
1. Then
Take 8 down. 8 down.
it will be what?
18.
18 divided by 3, how much?
8 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3.
18. 18, yeah, mister. It is not 8.
6.
Focus. 6.
6.
6 multiply 3, how much?
18.
18. Subtract. What's the answer?
0.
0. So what's the answer of the division?
16.
16. So what's the value of the h here?
The value of the h? 16.
The answer of the division, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, this is question 12, guys. Copy it,
Mute
please.
myself.
Thank you. Yes. Copy question 12, guys, please. Let's go to question 13. Question 13. We have 44 divided by 2 equal b. 44 divided by 2 equal b. And down b equal. So here we will do the division. 44 divided by 2 to find the value of b. Yeah, it's easy one. طيب حمدي أحمد حمدي.
Mister.
يلا يا أحمد. Can you help me to find the value of b here?
2.
Where I will put the 2 يا أحمد? Up. ممتاز. Why 2? Because 2 multiply 2 is
4.
Is 4. So I'll put 4 under the 4 and make subtraction. Now 4 minus 4.
Minus
0. ممتاز. Then
0. Down 4.
Down the 4. 4 divided by 2. Another 2. ممتاز. 2 multiply 2 is 4. Subtract.
0
Answer is
equal
what, يا
22.
أحمد?
22.
So I will go to the B equal 22. ممتاز يا أحمد. Thank you. This is question 13, guys. Copy it, please. Now let's go to question 14 together. Question 14, we have 72 divided by 4. 72 divided by 4 equal W. So W equal line, and here we will make the division of 72 divided by 4 to find the value of W. Yalla, who can help me here? I will choose. I want new students, guys. Where are you? Muhammad Salim. Muhammad.
Mr.
Yalla ya Muhammad. We are on question 14.
Okay.
Yeah.
First thing we're gonna see, we're gonna start with the 7 because the 7 is more than 4.
Good. Yalla, 7 divided by 4, how much?
Is 1.
It is 1 because 2 gives
2 is
8.
8.
Yep. Yalla, 1 multiply 4.
Equal 4. 7
Then
7 minus 4 equals 3.
Then
We're gonna put the 2 down.
good. 32 divided by 4.
We need something. We divided by 4 equals 32.
No, we
equals
need something multiplied with 4 equal 32, not divided,
8.
which is 8. 8 multiply 4 is
32.
32. Subtract
0.
0.
18.
So what's the answer? 18 with remainder 0. No need to say remainder 0. It's only 18. So W equals what?
18.
18. This is question 14, guys. Copy it very well. Please. Good boys. Now, guys, I want all of you to remove your hands, please. All of you. If you have a hand up, remove it, please, now. Quickly, quickly, quickly. All of you. Yalla. Good. I have 5 students now. Remove 4. Remove 3. Remove 2. Still 2 students. Remove your hands. Kinan, remove your hand. Kinan Isam. Kinan. Fine. Thank you. Now, if you don't know how to divide, put your hand. If you don't know how to divide, put your hand. مين عنا؟ Shoman or Abdul Aziz? Abdul Aziz, I tried to talk with you, but you never replied me. Shoman, yalla. Shoman.
Yeah, Mister.
Shoman, you don't know how to divide?
لا مو كله يعني بعرف نصه.
طيب, help me here. يلا. Help me here. Look here. 47 divided by 2.
أحلها؟
Yep, yalla, do it with me now. From where we start, yeah, Shoman? From where we start?
From 2.
ماشي. هنا from where we start يا حبيبي. الله يسعدك.
كيف يعني؟ From the 4.
From where? From the 4, right? We don't start from 47. We start from 4 only, right? Why?
Because we want to put the 2.
Because 4 is bigger than 2, so we start with 4. Understand?
Okay.
Yeah. What we put up here?
2.
Why 2? Why not 3? ليش 2
because
يعني؟
4
أيوة.
multiply.
Why we don't put 3? Why you need to put 2 only? Why?
Because 2 multiply 2 equal 4.
Look here, mister. Because 3 multiply 2, how much?
3 multiply 2 equals 6.
6 is bigger than 4. We cannot use the 3, right?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
as you said, we need to use 2. Now, 2 multiply 2, how much?
2 multiply 2 4.
4. Subtract.
0.
Then, what's the next step?
We put 7 down.
7.
No. مستر نتأكد إن الزيرو like the 4.
أيوة.
less
0 less
than
than
the 4.
2. Excellent. No, 0 less than 2, not 4, 2 here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Okay.
we checked it. Now we put the 7 down. Now we have a new number 7. Do we have 7 in the timetable
No.
of 2? We don't
No.
have. What's the smaller of the 7?
6.
6. From where we get the 6?
From the 2.
يعني شو أحط هنا عشان يطلع هنا 6؟
3.
3. So 3 multiply 2, how much is Shoman?
6.
6. Hi 6. Subtract. What's the answer?
1. Remainder
So
1.
the answer
The answer
is
23.
23. Remainder
1.
So 23 remainder 1. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Now do practice more. You will be more good inshallah with it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay guys, thank you so much. Now we finished this lesson. We did a lot of exercises about. Hope you understand how to divide. Do your homework guys if you didn't do it yesterday and send it to my classera. Thank you so much and we'll meet soon inshallah in the next period. Tomorrow I think. Thank you Kinan. Stop